He's completely bonkers. And he's in a Ford Orion with a working horn tonight. Now, it's only fair to say that he's done a bit of racing, but he thinks it's going to be alright with this ramp rollover lark. So we're going to see what happens. Local boy then, 373, this is Tibbs. Make a note, Roy, one fog light's not working. Oh, but he's got a great horn in there, listen to that. Here he comes. Save the biggest cheer for this guy as he tries to do it for Great Yarmouth tonight. Here's Tibbs as he approaches the ramp. The car's still running, the horn's still going. And hey Roy, the force with which he hit that ramp got the malfunctioning side light to come on. That's got to be worth more points. That was Tibbs, ladies and gentlemen. Local boy, car number 373, the Ford Orion. Will it still run? The rear fog has come on. With the force with which he hit the ramp, it connected.
Do they have two as standard?
No, they only one as standard. The Ford Orion goes again, ladies and gentlemen. What about that? Tibbs in car number 373. Oh, hang on. This is against the rules, isn't it? Going against straight away.
Yeah, but he's an entertainer, isn't he?
Oh, he's a novice. What are we doing? Letting him loose. Don't cheer for Tibbs this time. What's he doing? And so it goes on. The Ford Orion 1.3 CBH of 373. This is Tibbs, ladies and gentlemen. Local Yarmouth boy. I have to say it seems to be a bit over revving now. The Ford Orion, it heads towards the ramp. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, for sheer entertainment value, we'll jump this guy on the roof of his car. You've got to give him a cheer. It's Tibbs, ladies and gentlemen. You nits. Right, we still have one to be done. The final ramp rollover competitors tonight.